In this video, we will learn how to create an email template in Outlook. Let's get started. This is my Outlook dashboard. To create a new email template, let's go to a new email. In the To row, enter the demi text as a team. Enter subject. And enter mail text here. Add some space for the body section. Here enter your regards and your name. Once you are all done, go over there and click on the file. Then Save As. In Save As type, choose Outlook Template and save. Close this window. Now, go to New Items, More Items, and then choose Form. Go over there and choose the user template in File System. You can see, my main subject name was Weekly Meeting. Click over here and open. You can see, the template is open. This is how you can create an email template in Outlook. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.